Hi, Ben Piotr, Muscle Car Restorations. We're out here today doing the final touches on our '69 Mustang, which is our Manacore project, the one we've been working with Cypress and Edelbrock on. Like I said, doing finishing touches. We've done the dyno testing. Now we're out here putting some miles on. Typically on a full restoration, we want to put 100, 200 miles on. And fortunate enough, we have Rock Falls Raceway gracious enough to let us come out and use their facility where we can use their quarter mile. We can do some runs down the strip. We can also use some of the back roads and lefts and rights, and also do some brake testing. So everything is turning out really awesome. Car's awesome, handles great, accelerates good. Some of the photos actually see it's going to be white. That's our protective coating we use for test driving. We thought we'd peel it off for these final shots. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. Really shows 785 horsepower. This car really takes off, launches well, goes straight down the track just the way we want it, just a ball to drive. Sorry to give it up, but it's going to be time soon to send this thing back cross country to its owner where he can have some fun with it.